Hey guys, welcome to a new video on Revolve Auto. Today we're going to be installing the K&N Performance Lifetime Engine Air Filter. I need to get mine replaced, so I was like, why not just get a reusable one? So I'm going to be showing you guys how to install this here today in my Turbo Civic. So I have the 2017 Honda Civic Hatchback, which comes with a turbo. So any Civic from 2016 to 2021 is going to have a similar engine bay. So you guys can follow along and install this for yourself if you guys are interested. And this will also work with any other filter. That I'm just using the K&N since I want to be able to just clean it and put it right back in when it needs to be replaced. So anyway, let's get right into it. Ooh, this thing looks very, very nice. Look at that. This is the reusable filter from K&N. I will leave a link down in the description for you guys to purchase this if you're interested. Really nice. Let's get into the installation. What you guys are gonna need is a screwdriver. Something just totally fell on my car from the tree above. Very, very interesting. So what you guys are gonna need is the filter and a screwdriver. The screwdriver is a Japanese industrial standard screwdriver, or I just use a tip that's really, really similar to it. So I can switch out the tips with this screwdriver. So I just put it in there and let's get right into the installation. So the clips you guys are gonna wanna do is the one right here, one back here, and then one right there. So let's do that first. Those are really long screws. Took a solid second to get that out. All right, last screw out. Now this thing should just pop right up. And there you got your old filter right in there. It just pops right out. Honestly, it's not too dirty. They did say it was really dirty last time, but I'm glad I got a new one. All right, so now installing this filter, you guys are gonna wanna have the side with all the divots go straight in like that. So on this side it looks a little bit different. It kind of pops out, and this side's going to be the bottom. So like this, where you see the three little divots, you're going to open this up, pop that in, and it's all ready to go. All right, so now that we have that right in, right back on, we can just put the screws right back in and we're all set.